This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, I'm Eric Hine. With me today is Chris Vonderau from the law offices of Chris Vonderau. How are you doing today, Chris?
Doing very well. How are you, Eric?
I'm doing excellent.
Good.
Thank you, sir. Great to have you here.
Good to be here.
We have a few questions sent in from some of our viewers I would like to read to you.
Sure.
This one's from Sheila in Wilmington, and she writes in, I received a notice of garnishment from my student loan company. What can be done about this?
Okay, if you received a garnishment notice, that means obviously you're in default. You're behind on your student loan. Student loan debt, in my view, is among the worst kind of debt because it cannot be discharged in a bankruptcy. The next step, once you get that notice, is you have a right to a hearing where you can try to establish why your student loan should be deferred. I believe you get 30 days to do that. Now, if you do not go to that hearing or if you lose, your only option to stop the garnishment, honestly, is to file a bankruptcy action. You can file a Chapter 13, and it gives you 5 years to kind of refigure your finances, and the bankruptcy filing itself legally prevents them from garnishing your wages.
Very good in-depth answer there. Angela from Southport writes in, I took out a lot loan in a new development a few years ago. The developer went bankrupt, and now my loan is due. What are my options?
I see a lot of this in Pender and Brunswick County these days. There's a lot of developments that have just gone under. There's no infrastructure, and the lot value really has declined. You need to seek an attorney who is familiar with this kind of stuff. Oftentimes you can negotiate a settlement with the creditor instead of having to go through a bankruptcy or being sued. I recently did one of these the past week. Consult an attorney.
Okay, and of course everything is case-by-case basis. That's why you need to talk to everybody.
That's right.
Fantastic, Chris. Thank you so much for your time. You can learn more by visiting his website. Go to chrislegal.com or text Chris Legal to 91066.
This has been a WECT Business Break.